Change. Wow. But that one was beautiful. I wanted to. So they have new houses now. Hi. Sayonara. Sayonara. Yokosuka. That's the famous Yokosuka curry because it's got meat, beans. Yokosuka Chuo Station. Here and that's the food street. Wow. Let's go.
Okay.
You will never go wrong. Military shop Yokosuka and McDonald's. You will never be wrong. When you see a McDonald's, you will see something like this. Amazing, right? Market, not fish market, port market. Should be something going on there because it looks that if it's open. Let's have a look at this. You can't go wrong with a port with fishing trawlers and other things getting into the Tokyo Bay and down here to Yokosuka fish market here. Look, there you go. Hello. Fish market. Then grab the fish from different places. Oh, it's going. Still going. Yokosuka fish. Look at this, still going, folks. Wow. Few surprises. No tourists right now. Looking good. So far, so good. No tourists. Sharon managed to find another spot in the tourist district, supposedly. And it's a lovely little setting. Look at that. Nice little... Huh? Wow. Cool. New Korufu. But it's tied up. Just at the Shin Misaki Pier. I got my bag. I got my little bag. Wow, what a beautiful treat here. Look at all this. A second-hand shop. And then this one here as well. Pure leather, folks. Pure leather. Look at this. It's amazing. You can't believe how much I paid for it. You will be crazy not to have it. Look at my belt. Look at this. Thank you.